Hi, this is Laura Rogers, and today I'm going to be showing you just a couple of the things that you will learn how to do in our case management online workshop at User SharePoint. So here we have a SharePoint site that we have a patient list on the site and our list of patients. Well, there are three different statuses that a patient can have. They can be a new admission, and they can be a census after that, which means they just count as a patient in one of the beds in the hospital. And then after that, they become a discharge and to show up on the discharge calendar. So here's an example of one. This is a patient named Dan Jump, and right now he's a new admission. When I go in to edit the item, I change him to a status of patient census. You can see that all these new fields show up to be filled in pertaining to the status that he has. So you're going to have different fields that are required and different fields that are hidden. So at this point, I can fill out his doctor, I can fill out his treatment, whatever I need to do. And then I'm going to go take that same patient and I'm going to take him through to being discharged. So I can edit him. And you can see when I change him to a discharge that now he has the discharge date as a required field. So I have to fill that out. And I have to say where he's going to be discharged to. Another thing that you're going to learn how to do is create this consolidated list of patients and rooms. So we have a simple list on our site of room numbers and then the phone extension associated with those room numbers. You can even have additional information about that room, such as its location in the hospital, directions to get to it, things like that, like a floor number. What we're going to do here is create a consolidated list. So according to what room number you pick for that patient in the room field when you admit that patient, that is automatically going to be matched up with that room and phone list, and it's going to be displayed on this patient room and phone consolidated list on your site without having to enter that phone number in and look it up and enter it in every single time you admit a patient. Whatever room number you pick, it's automatically going to be matched up and displayed on this list. So those are just a couple of things that you're going to learn how to do, and I hope this is a good teaser for you. I'll see you at the workshop. Thanks.